Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make beans and plantain, popularly known as gobe. This dish is simple, filling, and absolutely delicious. Trust me, you're going to love it. So let's jump right in. All right, so our first thing is to wash our beans. I'm using black-eyed peas. I have 2 cups of the black-eyed peas. We'll go ahead to pour it into my bowl. I'll go ahead to wash the beans thoroughly to remove any dirt and impurities. Now, we all know that if you cook your beans right away, it's going to take a very long time to be done. So what I'll do next is to soak my beans for about 2 hours, but you can soak yours overnight. Okay, that works perfectly. So after 2 hours, I'll go ahead to drain out the water, then pour my beans into my saucepan. Meanwhile, I'd like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your love and support. God bless you. And if you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video. I share simple and easy recipes that you're going to love. So kindly click on the like button and subscribe to join this amazing family. So what I'll do next is to add some sliced onion. This will help the beans cook faster. We'll go ahead to cover it and let it cook. And also you want to make sure you are not adding salt at this moment. Make sure to check the beans from time to time, and if it needs more water, feel free to add some. Now, about 30 to 35 minutes, the beans should be soft. Once the beans are done, what I do normally is to mash a little portion of the beans so that I get that creamy texture. This step is optional, but it makes the beans extra delicious and creamy. Now, once that is done, we'll go ahead to add some salt to taste. Give it a quick mix, then cover and let it cook for additional 5 minutes. I love my plantains hot and fresh, so let's fry them next. I'll place a pan on the stove top, add in some oil and allow it to heat up. While the oil is heating, we'll peel and slide my plantains to my preferred size. Once that is also done, we'll add in a little bit of salt, then mix all together. At this moment, our oil is hot. We'll go ahead and add in my plantain and we'll fry until they are nice and golden brown. Once our plantain are also done, we'll go ahead to remove them from the oil, then transfer it into a paper towel to remove any excess oil. In a separate pan, I'm adding some palm oil and a sliced onion. I will fry the onions until they are translucent. Now, this next step is optional. I'm adding some ground pepper because I like my gobe to be a little spicy. If you don't like spicy food, you can skip this pepper, okay? Just the palm oil and onions goes perfectly. There you have it. You can serve it right away. And that's it, guys. You've made yourself one of the most famous and delicious meal in Ghana, which is called gobe. If you have a recipe that you will love me to try, kindly comment down below so that I can try it next. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my new recipes. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.